Hi friends, Miss Quist here. Today's page of notes is going to go on page 21. We are going to talk about 4-4 and 4-5. The learning objective for today's lesson is to graph and solve a system of linear inequalities. Our language acquisition objective is to explain how to graph and solve a system of linear inequalities using academic vocabulary. Our essential question is, how is the graph of a system of linear inequalities related to the solutions of a system of inequalities? So before we get into systems, let's just talk about linear inequalities in general. So that's topic 4-4. So a linear inequality in two variables has a graph where a region of the coordinate plane is shaded and is bounded by a line. Therefore, the solution of an inequality in two variables is any ordered pair that falls within the shaded region and also makes the inequality true. Now let's talk about graphing the linear inequality. So step 1, first we need to graph the line. The line can be in slope-intercept form, or it could be in standard form. Then if the inequality sign is less than or greater than, it's a dashed line and it's going to look like this. However, if the inequality sign is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then it's going to be a solid line and it's going to look like that. Next, we're going to pick a point away from the line. It can be either above or below. We're going to plug that point into the inequality using substitution. So my favorite test point that I like to use is 0, 0. Sometimes that doesn't work, but 9 times out of 10 it does, and that's my favorite test point to use. Now, if we get a true answer, if it's yes, then we're going to shade in the direction of 0, 0. If we get a no answer, then we're going to shade in the opposite direction of our test point, meaning we are not going to shade over our test point. Okay, let's get into our example 1.